Welcome student. Today here final account of banking companies. In this practical problem solved or in this lecture continue practical problem. The trial balance of Janaseva Bank Limited Mumbai as on 31st March 2020. Trial balance as on 31st March 2020. In this trial balance, particular debit balance, credit balance in prepaid or trial balance. Continue step by step for the all trial balance entries. First, equity shares capital of rupees 100 each. Credit balance 8 lakh. Next, general reserve debit balance 48,000. Next, current account credit balance 40,40,000. Next, interest paid debit balance 46,000. Next, reserve fund. Next, fixed deposit credit balance 25,60,000. Next, saving bank account credit balance 4 lakh. Next, cash in hand debit balance 70,000. Next, loan cash credit overdraft credit balance 3,20,000. Next, depreciation on premises debit balance 45,000. Continue problem. Repetition in these three entries. Continue repetition. Cash in hand debit balance 70,000. Next, interest received credit balance 3,20,000. In this repetition and changes for the problem. Interest received credit balance 3,20,000. Next, loan cash credit overdraft debit balance 41,20,000. Next, depreciation on premises debit balance 54,000. Next, premises debit balance 8,62,000. Next, silver debit balance 64,000. Next, bad debt debit balance 16,000. Next, cash with Reserve Bank of India debit balance 4 lakh. Next, cash with other bank debit balance 2,06,000. Next, gold debit balance 78,000. Next, money at call and short notice debit balance 2 lakh. Next, profit and loss account in bracket 1st April 2019 amount credit balance 2,40,000. Next, discount received credit balance 60,000. Next, commission credit balance 10,000. Next, dividend paid debit balance 60,000. Next, interest insured debit balance 18,80,000. Next, bill discounted and purchase debit balance 5,26,000. Next, recurring deposit credit balance 40,000. And last, government bond debit balance 40,000. Trial balance total 86,70,000 86 lakh 70,000. This continue for the trial balance. And next adjustment. First adjustment, rebate on bill discounted rupees 24,000. Repetition, rebate on bill discounted rupees 24,000. Second adjustment, interest accrued on investment was rupees 20,000. Third adjustment, provide rupees 40,000 for taxation. Next adjustment, provide for bad and doubtful debts is required amounting to rupees 20,000. Next adjustment, bill for collection rupees 1,60,000. And paragraph, prepare profit and loss account and balance sheet as on 31st March 2020 as per the Banking Regulation Act with schedule. In this problem, for the Jan Seva Bank Limited, Mumbai, in this all statement for the current year and prepared for the balance sheet, form number A, form number B, and all schedule for the Banking Regulation Act in this solution or in this problem. And firstly, problem for read. Secondly, adjustment tick mark. And thirdly, all transaction posting for the year schedule by schedule and form to form. It is firstly adjustment tick mark. First adjustment, rebate on bill discounted. In this tick mark for the loan, cash credit and overdraft, here tick mark. Next adjustment, interest accrued on investment. In this tick mark for the interest received, here tick mark. Next, provide rupees 40,000 for taxation. In this year tick mark. Next, provide for bad and doubtful debts is required amounted to rupees 20,000. In this year amount tick mark for the loan and advances reserve fund, here tick mark. And continue step by step, all entries are posted for the schedule by schedule. This continues and start. But all student ready? Okay. First, equity shares capital of rupees 100 each. In this share capital transferable for the schedule number first capital. Here schedule number first, share capital, total share 8,000 shares of rupees 100 each. In bracket complete, outer total shares amount 8 lakh. Total shares amount 8 lakh. All student, here listen. For the all format Banking Regulation Act under by the all schedule. In this all format, all schedule, all format are compulsory. In this my limitation for the blackboard. Your book writing for all format are compulsory. Are compulsory write down for your books. Okay? My limitation for the blackboard. Okay? Continue. Initial capital 8 lakhs. First transaction for the mention for schedule number first. Second entry, general reserve, general expenses. In this expenses transferable for operating expenses, schedule number 16. Amount 48,000. Here, schedule number 16, operating expenses, general expenses, amount 48,000. Okay? Next entry, current account. Current account, credit balance, 40,40,000. In this transferable or deposit, bank deposit. In the transfer of schedule number 3 here. Form number 3, schedule number 3, deposit current account amount 40,40,000 here posting. Next, interest paid amount 46,000. It is interest paid for the expenses for bank. Expenses for the bank in transfer of schedule number 15. Schedule number 15, the interest expended. Here. Measure for schedule number 15, interest paid amount 46,000. It's okay. Here mention. Next transaction. Reserve fund. All reserve and fund were mentioned for bank reserve and surplus in this schedule number 2. Reserve fund amount 2 lakhs. Here mentioned schedule number 2 reserve and surplus. Reserve fund. In this amount mentioned for 2 lakhs in this inner. Here 2 lakhs. Okay, in this adjustment for last required for the adjustment. That is reserve fund. Next, fixed deposit. Fixed deposit in this bank deposit. For the transfer, which are the entries, deposit amount 25,60,000. Here, fixed deposit. Schedule number 3. Fixed deposit measure for 25,60,000. Here mentioned. Okay. Next entry, saving bank account amount 4 lakh. Saving bank account. In this bank amount deposit or the banking deposit. Transferable for deposit. Schedule number 3. Here. Saving bank account amount 4 lakh. Here mentioned 4 lakh. Next entry, cash in hand amount 70,000. Cash in hand or bank cash for transfer for schedule number 6. Here, schedule number 6. Cash in hand amount 70,000. Here mentioned schedule number 6. Next, interest received. Interest received. Credit balance 3,20,000. Interest received. Bank for interest in this income, bank income. Transfer for schedule number 13. Interest earned. In this year mentioned. Schedule number 13, interest earned. Here mentioned for this adjustment year. Interest received amount 3,20,000 in this inner. Here mentioned, and adjustment for the interest received. Here adjustment for first adjustment all student in this year first adjustment rebate on bill discounted rupees 24,000 rebate in this bill discounted for the bank. Bill discounted in this 2 effect for the first effect are schedule number 13 in this bank received in this minus first effect, and second effect for the schedule number 5. Schedule number 5. Other liabilities and provision rebate on bill discounted. It's okay. In first adjustment, your first effect rebate on bill discounted 24,000. Your minus outer amount 2,96,000. Your measure, and second effect for this adjustment. Here schedule number 5. Other liabilities and provision. Here rebate on bill discounted amount 24,000. Here mentioned schedule number 5. Second effect. Okay. First adjustment are complete. Continue for the problem. Next, loan, cash credit and overdraft. Amount 41,20,000. Here mentioned for schedule number 9. Advances. Here schedule number 9. Advance, cash credit, overdraft. Amount mentioned for inner. Amount mentioned for inner in this adjustment for the loan, cash credit and overdraft 41,20,000 here mentioned, and continue for the adjustment. Adjustment number 4. Adjustment number 4 in this continue. Provide for bad and doubtful debts is required amounting to rupees 20,000. RDD for the bank cash and advances related for the bank. In this first effect are cash credit, overdraft and loan. In this year RDD for minus, it is first effect, and second effect for profit and loss account. Transfer for profit and loss account. It is RDD. It is first event. First student, this year continue. Schedule number 9. First event, it is adjustment. Cash credit overdraft 41 lakh 20,000 in this case. RDD 20,000. It is minus outer amount 41 lakhs. In this first event and second event. Here, form number B. Form number B. Form number B. Here, major point second. Expenditure under provision. Expenditure under provision. RDD. Amount 20,000. Amount here 20,000 in this inner mention. This inner mention. Next, continue for the problem. Depreciation on premises. Depreciation on premises. In this fixed asset for the depreciation. In this depreciation for expenses. Transfer for schedule number 16. Operating expenses. Amount depreciation 45,000. Here mentioned schedule number 16. Depreciation on premises. Amount 54,000. Next, premises. In this fixed asset, transfer of schedule number 10. Here, schedule number 10 fixed asset. Premises. Total amount 8,62,000. Here mentioned. Next, silver. In this other asset, bank for other asset, silver. Amount 64,000. Transfer for schedule number 11. Here other asset, silver, amount 64,000. Next transaction, bad debt. Here bad debt transfer for only form number B. Bad debt transfer for form number B. Here form number B, profit and loss account. Major point second, here provision. Bad debts amount 60,000. Amount 60,000 in this provision. Bank provision. In this current year provision. Bad debt 16,000. Next, cash with Reserve Bank of India. Amount 4 lakh. Here mention and transfer for schedule number 6. Schedule number 6. Here. Cash with Reserve Bank of India. Amount 4 lakh. Here mention amount 4 lakh. Okay. Next. Cash with other bank. Cash with other bank. Bank related cash for the transfer for schedule number 7. Schedule number 7. Balance with bank and money and call and short notice. Total amount 2,06,000. Here mention for schedule number 7. Cash with bank. Amount 2,06,000. Here mention. Next. Gold. Gold means other asset. In this bank other asset. Gold total amount 78,000. Transfer for schedule number 11. Here gold. In this bank other asset. Gold amount 78,000. Here mention. Next, money at call and short notice. Total amount 2 lakh. This is transferable for which posting for schedule number 7. Sorry. Yeah. Schedule number 7. Money at call and short notice. Total amount 2 lakhs. Here mention. It's okay. Next. Profit and loss account in bracket 1st April 2019. Amount 2,40,000. Here profit and loss in this bank for transfer for form number B. And major point 3rd. Here profit and loss account. Total amount 2,40,000. Here mention 2,40,000. Next, discount received. Amount 60,000. Credit balance 60,000. Transfer for schedule number 30. In this bank property bank income. Schedule number 30. Here mention discount received. Discount received. Amount 60,000. amount 60,000. Next, commission, bank income. It is transferable of schedule number 14, other income. Total amount, commission total amount 10,000 here. Schedule number 14, other income, we have mentioned commission amount of the 10,000. Next, dividend paid, debit balance 60,000. In this dividend paid, this bank expenses transfer for schedule number 16, operating expenses. Here mentioned dividend paid, total amount 60,000. Mention for schedule number 16. Next, investment in share, amount 18,80,000. Investment in share, bank investment, here mentioned schedule number 18, investment. Here investment in share, total amount mentioned for here 18,80,000. 18,80,000. Next posting, bill discounted and purchase, amount 5,26,000. Here posting for schedule number 9, advances. Here bill discounted and purchase, schedule number 9. It is posting for schedule number 9 under bill discounted and purchase, total amount 5,26,000. Next, recurring deposit, credit balance 40,000. Recurring deposit mentioned for schedule number 3. It's a deposit under for recurring deposit. Yeah. Schedule number 3. Deposit here. Recurring deposit here entry mentioned amount 40,000. And last transaction, government bonds. Government bond, in this bank investment. In transfer for the entries, schedule number 8, investment under here government bond, total amount here 40,000. Total amount 40,000. Okay. Trial balance under all entries for posting for schedule by schedules, and continue adjustment. First adjustment is completely. Second adjustment, interest accrued on investment was rupees 20,000. Interest accrued on investment in this bank property, bank asset, in this bank income, in this entry for the two effect. In this first effect, transfer for schedule number 11, other income, and schedule number second effect, schedule number 13, interest expended. Okay. First posting here, schedule number 11, other asset, here interest accrued amount 20,000. In this adjustment first effect, interest accrued amount 20,000, and second effect schedule number 13, interest earned. Here mentioned interest accrued amount 20,000. Okay, two effects are here mentioned. Next, third adjustment, provide rupees 40,000 for taxation. Provide rupees 40,000 for taxation in this bank provision, current provision. In this adjustment for two effects. First effect for schedule number 5, first effect are mentioned for schedule number 5, other liabilities and provision, and second effect from number B, and major point second under for the provision. This first effect here mentioned schedule number 5, other liabilities and provision under taxation, amount 40,000. First effect here mentioned for in this adjustment, and second effect here for number B, profit and loss account under, here expended under, here taxation. It is in amount 40,000. In amount 40,000. Okay, two effects are mentioned Next, fourth adjustment, this completely. Last adjustment, bill for collection, rupees 1,60,000. Last adjustment, bill for collection. Bill for collection for the, in this e-paid posting for the form number A. Form number A. In this lastly e-paid are only mentioned bill for collection. This here mentioned form number A. In this last e-paid here mentioned bill for collection. Amount 1,60,000 here mentioned in this lastly form number A. It's okay? Or entries and all adjustment here posting in all schedule by schedule in this total close. All schedule close. Firstly, all schedule close. And secondly, form number B close. And thirdly, schedule number second reserve and surplus. In this thirdly close and lastly close for the schedule number A balance sheet. It's okay? Ready? Okay. Schedule number first are close. Total schedule number first total 8 lakh. This close. Next, schedule number second and lastly close. This is schedule number third. It is close. Total amount schedule number third deposit 17 lakh 40,000. In this schedule number third are close. Schedule number 5 4 borrowing it is nil. No e-paid. For schedule number 4. Next schedule number 5 total 64,000. 64,000 in this total schedule number 5. Next schedule number 6 total 4,70,000. Schedule number 6 total. It is schedule number 7 are close. Total amount schedule number 7 4,06,000. Next schedule are close. Schedule number 8 investment are close. Total amount 19,000 20,000. Sorry, 19 lakh 20,000 in this total amount. Next schedule close. Advances schedule number 9 total 46 lakh 26,000 in this total for schedule number 9. Next schedule close. Fixed asset total 8 lakh 62,000. Next schedule are close. Schedule number 11 total 1 lakh 62,000. It is close amount. Next schedule contingent liability is nil. No e-paid. It is contingent for the bank. It is current in this year. Okay? This nil. Next schedule number 13 are close. Total amount 3 lakh 76,000. Next schedule number 14 are close. Total amount 10,000. Schedule number 15 are close. Total amount 46,000. And last schedule 16 are close. Total 1,62,000. 1,62,000. All schedules are closed. In this total amount transfer, it is all total amount transfer for form number A and form number B. Here mention all schedule wise total. It is capital total. Schedule number 2 are pending. Schedule number 3 total mention. Schedule number 4 nil. Schedule number 5 74,000 and total are pending. And continue schedule number 6 total here mentioned. Schedule number 7 total here mentioned. Schedule number 8 here mentioned. Schedule number 9 total are here mentioned. Schedule number 10 here mentioned. Schedule number 11 total here mentioned. It's schedule number 12 here mentioned and form number B. This schedule number 13 amount here mentioned. Schedule number 14 amount here mentioned and total for this schedule number 13 and 14 and total 3,86,000 in this total. Okay? And secondly total expenditure. Schedule number 15, schedule number 16 and all bank provision contingency. This year total 76,000. It is major point second expenditure total here total 2,84,000. 2,84,000. Okay? And next profit and loss account is mentioned and calculated for the income minus expenditure. Income minus expenditure calculated for the net profit in this current year. Net profit here calculated. Income amount here 3,86,000 minus 2,84,000. It is equal to 1,02,000. In this current year, net profit in this calculated year. In this calculated year, current year net profit 1,20,000. In this total year mentioned, major point third, total year mentioned 3,42,000. 3,42,000. And next major point 4, appropriation. Appropriation. In this appropriation was the transfer statutory reserve 20%. In this bank rules, 20% calculated for the current year net profit. In this year, current year net profit 1,20,000. In this 20% are statutory reserve. Here calculated 1,22,000 into 20%. Here calculated for the statutory reserve 20%, 20,400. Here calculated for the current year net profit. And transfer, which are the statutory 20% statutory reserve transfer for schedule number 2nd, reserve and surplus. Here and profit and loss account 20%. Here mentioned schedule number 2nd, 20,400. This total, out of total 2,20,400. Okay, first second effect here. Next continue. In this total mentioned 3,42,000. In this 3,21,600 in this balance carried to balance sheet. In this balance sheet figure, here calculated for the balance figure amount. In this 3,42,000 minus 3,42,000 minus 20,000 is equal to 3,21,600. In this bank carried over in balance sheet. In this balance sheet figure, it is calculated for amount here in transfer amount schedule number 2nd. Here schedule number 2nd balance for profit and loss account 3,21,600. Okay, and here schedule number 2nd are close. Total amount 5,42,000. 5,42,000. Here schedule number are close. And which amount transfer for form number A. Here reserve and surplus 5,22,000 and are tally for the form number A. In this balance sheet, this problem tally for last total amount 84,46,000. In this bank tally amount 84,46,000. It's okay, student? Any problem?